Dijonge ngaphi? Dijonge. Oh, alright. My name is Ndomboxolo from Khayelitsha, but abandazi okay bathi no peace. I sing at church and they tell me, you I know peace, such a beautiful voice, and I tell them, I know. Dakonba, hi man, I can't stay with such a talent at home. They always tell me, you sound like Whitney Houston, Mariah Kanje, and I tell them, I know.
Are you nervous?
Nerves, yes.
Stand on the sign. Move it a little bit this
Yo,
way.
okay, keep here.
There we go. Spot on.
Okay, Gali. No. It's just warm up. Benza for the messy voice. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody.
Carry on, my child. Ignore us. This never happened. Carry on.
I think the nerves because in the nervous. I think. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody.
It's a no.
I feel him. In fact, he's not there.
You're done with your interview. How are you feeling?
At the end of the day, only God can judge me.